All right, let's go on to our last section. We're going into 5-7. It's our last section. And it's called, we're going to start working with what's called the hinge theorem. Hinge theorem. Think about a hinge. If I have, okay, my two hands are the same whether I hinge it out this way or bring it in the same length, right? But what's changed? The angle, right? The angle's changing. That's called the hinge theorem. And what that says is I have two legs that are going to be the same, but my angle in here between them changes. Okay? And we can create an inequality when we say that. So if we take a look at this example here, we have these two legs are the same. So this one's equal to that one. This one's equal to that one. But our degrees here are different. To identify this is what they say. MO is congruent with GH. MO is congruent with GH. And NO is congruent with HI. NO and HI. The angles, though, the measurement of angle H is greater than the measurement of angle O. This is the hinge theorem. So we can say that the line, or the segment here, in this case looks like a hypotenuse, right? That GI is greater than MN. Remember yesterday, you finished up 5-6 where we said, what is the greatest angle or greatest side or the greatest angle depending on the length of the side? It's based on that same thing. So if I have a triangle here and I say A, B, C, and I say that this is 10, this is 8, and this is 6, my greatest angle is going to be right here based on this number. Same thing happens if I reduce this a little bit. Let's call this 9, 8, and 6. This is still going to be your greatest angle, but now we can say that based on this, based on these angles, that this one is greater than this one, that these sides, we can say that 10 is greater than 9, or this BC is greater than this BC is greater than this BC, based on our angles being different. So we're looking at it from the other direction. Do we need to put up a picture of you? What was this talking back and forth? Oh, I wouldn't do that to you. At which time is the distance between the tip of the clock's hour hand and the tip of the minute hand greater? At 3 o'clock, we've got a clock. We have the minute hand here. We have the hour hand here. Or when the minute hand is here. This would be, 2? And 1's right here. Actually, let's draw this minute hand a different color here. Which one is greater? Which one is greater? 3 o'clock is greater, right? It creates a bigger angle here. All right? Although the minute hand and the hour hands are the same length. They don't change length. The degrees in there change. Ooh, that's really snowing. All right. So, with that being said, you have, what is the inequality? You got 1 and 2 on this page. Is there 3, 4, 5 on there? You hate your life and you hate this class. Whew. All right. Hinge theorem. Side, side, side. Do you think you could figure that out if I was to give you this type of... No? You wouldn't be able to figure out? Okay, good. All right. I have this side equal this side equal this side, but this side here is smaller than this side here. What do you think this angles are going to be? You could say angle, the measurement angle Q should be greater than the measurement of angle M. True? Not true? It is. It's true. All right. True and false. Write the inequality. If this is, in other words, we're given 2 triangles here. We are given 2 triangles here. We can say that this side TS is congruent with ZY. And we can say this angle here, we also say these sides are congruent because they're the same length, right? And we say this angle here is 72 degrees. This angle here is 5x plus 2 degrees. Can we figure out what they are? In here, it says measurement angle S, right here, is greater than the measurement of angle Y, right here. So we set it up. They say that right? S is greater than. So it would be 72 degrees is greater than, because this is 72 degrees right here. Angle Y, which is 5x plus 2. This here is 5x plus 2. So we set that up, and we solve it to find out what x is. We got 70... Oh yeah, 70 degrees is greater than 5x. Divide that through, 14 is greater than x. We know what our x is based off that. Which one? This? How's that? I know. It's going to tip over. All right. So you have 3, 4, and 5 to do on this side. Actually, do 3 and 4. 3, 4. Skip 5. Do 3 and 4.